Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this counter animation to your Blogger website. Now in the previous video, I had shown you how to create this from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also a library called Odometer.js. And this is also responsive, so if you decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on smaller screens. So in this video, I'll show you how to add this design to your Blogger website. So let's get started. Right, here I have logged into my Blogger dashboard, and we can add this design to a post or a page. Let's add it to a post. Now you can add it to an existing post if you want, so you can just go to a post and change this into the HTML view, and here you can add the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. But I'll just add it inside a new post. So let's click on new post, and here let's type our achievements. And here you have to go ahead and change this into HTML view. So by default it will be in the compose view. Click on this button and click on HTML view. Now let's go ahead and add the code. So first of all, let's add the CSS. So I'll just create a style tag for that. And let's go to our source code and let's copy the CSS from here. So let's copy from this line of code. This section is for the section that we created over here at the top and at the bottom. We don't want that. We just want this stats to be displayed. So let's copy from this line of code till the end, and let's paste it over here. Right now let's go ahead and add the HTML. So let's go outside the style tag and let's go to the HTML file, and let's copy this stats container division from here, and let's paste it over here. And then we also need to add this script tag, and let's paste it over here. And then we need to add the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag for that. And let's go to our main.js file, and let's copy all this JavaScript from here, and let's paste it inside the script tag. And the last thing we need to do is we need to copy the CSS of Odometer.js. So it is right here. So let's copy this link tag from here, and let's paste it right here at the top. When I scroll down here, we can see that we have the HTML of our design, and here we have subscribers, videos and projects. So you can change the text to whatever you want, and you can change the class names as well. And if you scroll down, here we have the code to add the counter animation. So here we have this function called create odometer, and we are getting two arguments. We are getting the element and the value. So if you scroll down here, we are calling the function create odometer, and we are passing the element. So we are just referencing the element from the class name subscribers odometer. You can add your class name over here and add the element over here and also pass the value. So right now it is 29,800. So it goes to 29,800, and do the same for all the other elements. You can also add new elements if you want. So you can just create a new stat division. So you can just copy this division and paste it down here, and just go ahead and add it over here as well. So once you're done all of that, you can go ahead and click on publish and confirm. And here we can see our post has been published. So let's click on view. And here we have the animation working. So if we refresh this page, we have the number animation working all right. And let's decrease the width of the browser window, and it is also responsive. So that's basically how you can add this number counter animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. I will also leave the link of the design video. And if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.